Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add photo and videos in Onboard step by step in very simple terms. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the Android user can follow the same steps. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Onboard app. On the home screen, tap the plus button. Now choose what you want to create: story for Instagram stories, reels for Instagram reels, or video. Next you will see many templates. Scroll through and tap on the templates you like. Once selected, tap app media. Now your phone's gallery will open. Tap on the video or photo you want to use. You can select one or multiple files. After selecting, tap add or next. Your phone or video will now appear inside the template. To adjust your photo or video, tap on it. Once it's selected, drag to move it, pinch the screen to zoom it or out. For the video, you can trim the clip if needed. If you want to add more media, tap the plus or media icon again. Repeat the same step to build your story or reel. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.